Dear students, today we will learn another exciting thing in Dreamweaver, that is how to add bullet points, numbering, or what we call in Dreamweaver as list. So there are two type of list available: unordered list, it's just like bullets, and ordered list, that's like numbering or some which has some order ABC or some other thing. So let's see in the practical that how we can add such list in the HTML document. So here is the same document on which we were working, and I have cleaned this document to just make it that whatever we add to this document should be new one for this module. And now I am interested to add like ITC in this, and I want to make this ITC as a list, unordered list, or maybe using ordered list. So let's say we try to use as the unordered list for this one. So whenever I will click on it, you will see that what will happen in the code. So I am selected this one and I have clicked this one. So it has put a tag UL, unordered list, and UL finishes over here, and then the list item 1, and that is this. So this means that whatever you want to add, you can add using list item 1. So for example, if I want to copy this code and again add some other thing, for example English, so this will be on the same level you are saying. And then of course we can add whatever we have learned in between as well. For example, it can be heading 1, it can be bold, whatever we want. For example, we can also say that we need the bold kind of thing as well. So it has added in list item as bold. Then we should also try to do it as bold as well, because to make it on the same level, right? And then if I am interested to basically make this thing, the English, as ident within ITC, so I can click on it and you can see that it has created a table of content type of thing where English has been indented and has been made a subheading with the ITC. And this can be converted into the order list as well by clicking on this. So now we have unordered list and then ordered list. So you can see that one list item ITC has an ordered list and the list item is English. So we can create whatever we want to show in our document. So we have learned that we can add title on the page, we can add some table, and we can also add some image over here, for example, if you want. So if I go over here and I say okay, insert image, so let's see, I say okay, we can want to add this image, and this image need to be need to have some name, image 1. So this image has been created, and let's go into the live mode. So in live mode you can see that this is being shown like this, and of course you can make the size of this image a little bit smaller if you want. So at the moment it is 1280 width and 960 height, so we can say we want 400 by 300 image, so it will be shifted like this, and you can save all. And this is not my first page now, I guess it's my 4th page. So let's add such kind of information and save it. And then if you go into this, and this is my 4th page, so you can see that ITC is on the is as unordered list, and then English as an ordered list but as an indented and then there is an image in between. So dear students, let's conclude today's module. We have learned that how we can add numbering and bullets as ordered list and unordered list in the in our HTML or web page using Dreamweaver. So it was very easy that we just clicked on the things and the code was generated by itself. And we have also added some image as well in the web page, and we have seen that it was really impressive that when we saved and really view that whole web page, and it was attractive enough that we have learned how we can add different things to our web page. So in the next module, we will try to make a realistic web page in which there is a usage of all of the things which we have learned until now.